Hello everyone, and welcome to the course Microsoft Project Fundamentals. This is a course that will take you through all you need to know to get going, both as a beginner and someone who is already using Microsoft Project or any other planning tool. So what are we going to do in this course? So we start with the Module 0, in which we introduce this course and describe what we're going to do exactly. But before that, let's take a simple case study where we have a fictional guy called John. And John wants to build a storage. And in doing so, what John does is he starts buying materials and then starts building. And at some point, John realizes that he should, there were tasks that he should have done first before others. So he didn't really think properly about it. And also, he came to the point where, there were some tasks or things that I thought I could do, but now I need to get a specialist or someone to do it. And also he then realizes that this will affect his budget and he will not be able to finish the work, and that will cost him more. So now John becomes confused and asks himself, what do I do next? And then, to those of you listening to this, as a set of case study question, what do you think John should have done first before actually starting the project? And when John became confused, what could he still do at that point? And basically the answer to this question is that he should have considered his building a storage as a project and planned properly for it. And this is why we will use this case study together with other things to show you practically what you will learn in this course. First, define what Microsoft Project is about, where you can apply it in project management and other areas. Why is it important? What are the benefits? How can we start the Microsoft Project application from our computer? Understanding the environment of the Microsoft Project so that we can be able to use it. Then we start building a plan where we start adding tags and durations, linking tags to show dependencies or how you can do that, as well as assigning resources. Then we will also show you how to define baseline, milestones, and critical paths in your plan, and working with different project views, both for tasks and resources and other ones, as well as doing project reporting and dashboarding. So, to do this, we broke down the course into 4 modules, of which the first one is introducing you to a project and its environment. Then we start building a plan to show you how tasks are added and playing around with the tasks, and doing some dependency linking predecessors and successors, as well as adding resources, milestones, and defining baseline, and also critical paths. And then we look into project views and reporting, some ways that you can use to show how your project looks like or how it's going. And based on this, we will conclude the course, and hopefully the ideas and knowledge you can use even as a person in your own individual planning, as well as in managing your project if you're a project leader or project manager or team lead or whatever role that requires you to do some level of planning, just like John in his building a storage house. So join me in the next set of videos and enjoy this wonderful course as we go along. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.